So what's going on, everyone? Looks like we're ready to go. This is what $500 gets you, and hopefully it's going to be $500 of pure Ford P71 fun. It's got a lot of miles. We got no smoke coming out the tailpipe. That's a good thing. Got a water pump issue that we need to take care of. Pulled out the back seats. We're cleaning everything up. Maybe a little drug running was done in this vehicle after it was bought from the police department. I found the strobe lights. They're still connected to the vehicle, so that's cool, because what we're going to do is I'm going to straighten out this fender with a hammer. Nothing amazing. We're going to reinstall these guys right here, and hopefully when we get to do the burnout, we get to flip on the lights and have some fun. But yeah, so $500, and here we go. And hopefully if this car comes out as good as I think it's going to come out, we might even see this at 24 hours of lemons. Not Le Mans, but lemons. And let's give it a crank. Let's see how she sounds. Oh, dear Lord. What's going on there? I don't think she likes me. Wait, it has two keys. Oh, yeah. We also have an electrical issue. These bitches won't shut off. Or these guys will not shut off. Sorry about that. So anyway, there you have it. Day one, road to Cleetus and Cars for Houston. This 15th, today's February the 9th, I believe, and we have several days just to get this car up and running to the best of its ability, because we're about to destroy it over there at Cleetus and Cars, hopefully in the burnout area, and go from there. You know, it's just one of those things I've always wanted to do. I never get any time for myself. I'm always working, and I just felt like, you know, what's just one day of fun. So here we go, man. I'll see you guys.